Hello there, I'm Cecilia from Year 11 and I'm a vocalist. The freedom to explore is my drive for my passion in the creative arts because it's almost like another language on its own, and when words can't explain, that's when the creative arts speaks for itself. The 2021 CAPA theme has been a very interesting journey to explore, especially for me. Initially, the theme Wonder was about how I can actually express myself differently and actually trying to step out of my own comfort zone and actually challenging myself to explore something different. But when COVID hit and the whole entire lockdown situation, it actually became a different journey, something more than just stepping out of comfort zone and all that. But it actually taught me the importance of a very important quality as a person, and this is resilience. So how do you cope with an adverse situation? And when it comes to these sort of experiences, do you stop and give up, or do you continue? And through this whole entire CAPA experience this year, it actually taught me to challenge the idea of making the impossible possible. So actually trying to overcome those what's so-called impossibilities and trying to overcome that barrier, especially when it comes to performance, because you don't actually have that stage anymore and you don't have an audience. So what do you do then? How do you continue to engage your audience, and entertain them? So overall, I feel like this year's CAPA theme has been a very interesting journey, and it did teach me a lot. It helped us to be more responsible and accountable for what we're doing. So we still found ways to host meetings and rehearse together, even though we were not physically there. So I think that resilience and responsibility was a major factor that actually contributed to an overcoming situation. This year's CAPA experience can be summarized into one phrase. So it was difficult, but it was inspirational, because throughout this journey, it was very unique compared to the other CAPA experiences in my previous years. So this year we had to actually try and find ways to work around things and things that seemed impossible. And for me, I felt I actually grew a lot, especially in the CAPA department, because I never thought that I would get into audio mixing, and that's something that I never thought I would be interested in. And now I actually have a passion for it, a little passion should I say, and I actually find mixing audio very interesting. So I think that was one of the benefits of lockdown, I guess. I found a new passion, a new hobby as well. But overall, I felt that I actually grew in terms of personal traits. So this comes down to, responsibility and accountability. And this lockdown actually taught me that, because you don't have that person there who's telling you to do this and do that. You don't have your teachers or your other peers to tell you to do that, but you are responsible for yourself and for your own growth. And this whole entire CAPA journey actually taught me that, because you have to submit your recordings on time if you're part of a team, and you have to be responsible for what you do. So overall, I felt that this year's CAPA experience was very fun and very enjoyable. Well, I can't wait to show you my upcoming performances staying on this virtual stage in this year's Season of Wonder.
And I feel it running through